Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are comparing two popular all-in-one marketing platform, Systemy.io and Kartra.com. If your goal is building landing pages, funnel, webinar, email marketing system and online courses, this video will help you to decide which one fits for your better. And yes, if you are beginner, I clearly tell you which one is best for you and what I recommend at the end. So let's start the video. First, what do both platforms actually do? Both System.io and Karta are designed to replace multiple tools with one single platform. Using their one of the you can create landing pages, building complete sales funnels, run email marketing campaign, host webinar or create sales online courses or membership. So from features point of view, both aim to solve the same problem. The real difference between is how easy and affordable it is to use to. So let's talk about page and funnel building. With System.io, the page builder is very clean and simple. You drag section, edit, add buttons and publish. It is made for speed. You don't feel overwhelmed while with open a dashboard for the first time. And also, Kartra offer a powerful page and funnel builder, but the interface is much more advanced. So there are more setting, more rules and more automation layer. That is great for a professional marketer, but for beginners it can feel complicated and heavy. So now let's talk about the webinar. Both platforms allow you register user, send confirm email, build webinar funnels, redirect user to sale pages after the webinar. So System.io focus on mainly simple and automated webinar funnels. On the other hand, Karta offers deeper automation and tracking around webinar behavior. So if you are only want to run simple webinar or selling a course or coaching, System.io is much more than enough. So if you need a very complex webinar logic, Karta becomes stronger. Now let's talk about email marketing. This is very important for online business. With System.io, you can get broadcast email, automation rules, sequence and follow-ups, tagging and segmentation. The interface is extremely beginner friendly, and you can literally create your first campaign using this create newsletter. You can literally and Cultra also provide powerful email automation, but again the learning curve is higher. There are many condition and behaviors and advanced flows. For beginners, simplicity matter more advanced and logic. So now let's talk about online course and membership creation. Both platform allows you to create lessons, organize module, protect content behind logic, login, sell access automatically. System.io focus on fast course creation. You can upload videos, write lesson and start selling without touching a technical setting. On the other hand, Karta also support course and membership site, but the setup is more structured and slightly technical. So if you are launching your first digital product, Systemy.io makes feel you best and simple. Then automation and integration. This is where Kartra really shines. Karta is built for complex behavior tracking, multi-step automation, deep user activity monitoring. So on the other hand, Systemy.io offers automation too, but it's initially simpler. And for the most beginners and small creators, simple automation is exactly what you need. Let's talk about price and value for beginners. So Systemy.io is known for being extremely affordable for beginners. And the best part, it even offer a free plan. Yes, you heard it right. If you are access lifetime free access on the System.io pricing. And the other hand, Karta is poison for premium. Sorry for that. Karta is positioned as premium platform and start too much at a much higher monthly cost. So if you are just starting out, testing funnels, building your first email list, launching your first course, System.io clearly wins in the term of value. So which one you should choose? If you are a beginner, you are starting online business, if you want to build landing pages, funnel, email campaign, webinar, online courses without struggling and technical complexity, then honestly I recommend starting with Systeme.io. It gives you everything you need to launch, test and grow without spending a lot of money and without getting stuck in complexity. And Karta is a fantastic platform, but the most case it makes sense after your business grows when you actually need advanced automation and deeper analytics. My personal recommendation, start with Systemi. Build your first funnel, create your first course, grow your email list, and when your business become more complex, you can also always upgrade to your tools later. So if you want to try System.io, you will find the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next videos.